Okay, shirts. So fill it to there, about halfway. Shirts in, whoops, don't throw it on the floor. Shirts in, ball in, shut door. Okay, so on. And then press that one, which is like a t-shirt, which is cotton. And this will come up, standard cotton. Then you need to change this to 40. So you press cotton again. It's gone to 60. Press again, goes to 40. So that's it, 40. Then you press start. And then you want to press time saver. So it only takes half the time. And that's it. And then when it's done, once it's done, tumble dry it, 30, about 30, press start. Take them out, hang them up, done.